My pants are falling off. I'm probably gonna die. Probably not gonna die. But that was super fun, you guys. It's a wonderland. Should we go this way or that way? Oh, what if they want to FaceTime?
What are we filming?
I don't know. We're gonna go play in the snow.
That's what I'm...
All right, let me call you back.
Alright.
So my question is, do you like snow? Like, could you live without it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Oh, shit. Oh, my God. I almost fell. Oh, my God, I'm still falling. I'm still falling. Okay, we got it. We got it. Okay, we got this. Rude. Oh, shit. that was actual really fall. I almost died. I'm probably going to die. Oh, shit. Okay. So I feel like we don't ever get snow anymore. And do you like snow? My question is, do you like snow? Would you like to live in like Florida or like somewhere that's like cold? Why am I waiting for it? Shit, okay, you guys, this is serious. I may be frostbitten. That's what they do to meat. They freeze it. They're basically a piece of meat anyway. Oh my God, blown up. Oh my God, it's happening. The apocalypse of snow. It's happening. Snow, my God. Oh my God, it's freezing. I can't feel my fingertips. I can't feel my ankles. There's people out in the middle of the street. It is so, this is fun. I can't feel anything. So I'm going in. My pants are falling off. I'm probably gonna die. Probably not gonna die. But that was super fun, you guys. I highly suggest getting out in the snow, living your life, and getting off social media sometimes, and living your best life. But don't get off my social media, like stay on that. That's a good time. So I can't feel my fingers, and my boogers are like frozen. Let it go. Let it go. Okay, so that was fun.